channel. Today what you are going to see means just how to use mobile gamepad in Mi TV for free. How to use mobile gamepad in Mi TV. I'm going to use Mi Max mobile. For that, first go to Play Store and then type Air Console. You can see this app you should download in Mi TV as well as in mobile phone. Air Console. Likewise, I'm going to download in mobile phone also the same app. You should download this app in both the phones. Yeah, now after installing this app in Mi TV, just click open. You should connect Wi-Fi. For this app, you should need Wi-Fi network or any hotspot also. It's okay. Just please wait. It's connecting. Yeah. Now after installing in mobile phone, just open this app. See, showing connecting to server. Here you can see. Just now I'm going to continue without Facebook. Just sign in with your any email. Yeah, now after that, just click start playing console. Here you can see I got a connect code. Just click this. Now just a minute. In this top you can see this code you should enter in your mobile phone. You should enter that code here. 114 791. Just click tick to connect. Here you can see now it's connected. You can see that K logo is there also. The same K logo. You can see connect one more player to play this game. You can connect more. You can connect one more player also. This is a multiplayer game app. That is your wish. You can connect or you can disconnect. Connect or disconnect any players. Okay. Let's go. What you're going to see means just we can install one game. Here you can see there is a starter pack. These are all free games. There is a premium games also available. These types of games and all were premium games you should pay and play. Okay, now we can start with free games. Let's come back. Just which game we can play. Yeah, for example, now I'm going to play this game. It's a racing game. For installation, you just click this center button in your mobile phone. You can see for installing purpose. I'll use TV remote to install. It's installing. Please wait. Yeah. Now after installing, just close this window in your TV screen, in your mobile phone. Now click play, open, just connect with this code which you already connected. I think it's invalid code, just wait, the new code will generate. You can see there's a new code is generated. Just type that code here. Type that code here, 116643. Just click to connect. You can see it's connecting. Yeah, the game started. We can play. It's loading. Just click here to start. You can see you can turn right, left, or you can select anything. The mobile phone is now is a currently gamepad. It's working as a gamepad. Now click to select this. Now click this car, select. This is gun, select. Coming back. You can see it's loading after selecting that weapons, cars and all. Yeah, it's game. You can see this total game control is in this mobile phone only. It works as a gamepad. The fire, drift, fire on, brake, left, right and all. We can play this game. Ready. You can see. Oops. You can see you can fire also. Oh, now I'm going to lose this game. You want to play this game like this? Let's see. Oops, my play is very poor. Sorry guys. This is first time so only. Final lap is got over. Likewise, you should play this game. You can see the total controls in my gamepad only. I'm going to complete this race. Yeah, got completed, finished. Here you can see. Just try this game. Definitely, I think you love this game. Yeah, I got a first place. Superb. See, you can retry also. Now I'm going to quit this game. Just click continue. Okay, likewise you should play this game, guys. You can see after, just wait for 25 seconds. Now after, it will just come back to this main screen. because it is an ad, 25 seconds ad. You want to watch fully. After watching that, it will automatically fetch back to this main screen. Now here you can see you can leave this session, you can change game, like that. Lot of features are there. Just now I'm going to leave this session. Just leave session, click here. Yeah, I got left that section. Likewise, you want to play games, guys, in this sad console, you can use your mobile phone as a gamepad. No worries. And if you're having any doubts or queries, just ask in below comment section. Definitely I will reply. And while playing that game, my communication is a little bit poor. Sorry guys. Why means just I'm concentrating on both the sides in this video as well as in that game. So only. And if you're having any doubts or queries, just ask in below comment section. Definitely I will reply. And do like us and subscribe our channel for more videos. Bye.